Hey guys, welcome back to another Weekend of Meals video. If you're new here, in these videos we share some of the yummy food we had over the weekend, as well as some clips of family fun. If you guys enjoyed these videos on my channel, make sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below so you don't miss any future videos. So before we get into the rest of the video, I wanted to share our newest appliance with you guys. This is the NewAir 160 can beverage fridge in stainless steel. NewAir contacted me and offered to let us try one of these out. We've been using it for a few weeks to see how we like it, so that I could give you an honest review. So of course the most important part of a fridge is that it keeps your drinks cold. This fridge has a digital thermostat that's adjustable from 37 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. We like to keep ours on the coldest setting. Right now the temp's a little higher because I just recently restocked it with hot drinks. The temperature is easily adjustable, and it also has an LED light inside so you can see all of your drinks and snacks. It has a split shelf design with adjustable shelves so you can rearrange them to fit whatever drinks you'd like to fill it with. This fridge has tons of room for all kinds of drinks. The boys really love it because they can see everything we have, and they're able to just go and grab a juice box or a water by themselves. Also, if your main fridge is usually messy like mine, this is a super convenient way to offer drinks to your guests. This one is the perfect size for our tiny kitchen. It fits so well next to our buffet table, and now we have more room in our main fridge. I also love that it's stainless steel and black, so it matches all of the rest of our appliances. I think this would also be really cool if you have a game room or a garage to keep all your drinks and snacks handy, or even an upstairs living room, so you don't have to go down to the kitchen during movie night. So thanks again to NewAir for sending this to us. This turned out to be super useful, and we're really enjoying having it in our home. If you'd like to check out this fridge, I'll have a link down in my description box for you, as well as a discount code. This weekend we had a bunch of super simple dinners, and for the first one we had Italian sandwiches. Years ago, whenever we ate at Subway, we always liked the Southwest style sauce, and this is our little version. We just used some mayo, Dijon mustard, garlic and onion powder, some salt and pepper, apple cider vinegar, and lime juice. Then we added in some paprika, cumin, and a dash of hot sauce. For the bread for these, we have some super soft Kaiser rolls, and then we're going to have some multigrain chips on the side. To fill our sandwiches, we're going to be using some provolone cheese, bologna, salami, and pepperoni. Then we top that off with some shredded lettuce, red onions, and black olives. This was super simple, but so delicious. For our next super easy dinner, we had BLT hot dogs. We made a sauce for these using some dill relish, mayonnaise and Dijon mustard, onion and garlic powder, some salt and pepper, and paprika. We put our hot dogs on our buns with our sauce and then top them off with some crispy bacon, lettuce, tomato, onion, and shredded cheese. The next night we had my dad over for dinner and we threw some steaks on the griddle. With our steaks, we had some German potato salad. I didn't film much because I was visiting with my dad, but I do finally have the recipe you guys all asked for, and it's down in my description box. See?
Hold it on that side. You go on the other side, Coco, and hold it.
What is it?
Map. I'm Steve. I'm Alex. He's Steve. And that's a pit. Gold. Gold.
Where are you going?
These are the places. First we need to go here, 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 here. Then we go back home, look out our window, then boom, we see a rainbow with a TNT about to explode the rainbow.
What are they wearing?
No, that's Grandpa.
It's Grandpa!
He's got a beard and a hat on.
Just let it down.
Give it to him.
Aw, that's awesome, Bubba. You drew Grandpa.
I wrote something else.
He's got his hat. Is that his mustache?
Okay. So far, we're saving the pizza because we went to a pizza, a food place. It's for pizza only.
A pizza restaurant.
Pizza restaurant.
Is that your map? That's how you go?
Yeah, we go.
To the pizza place and then where?
Let's go with the red explode.
And then you explode!
No, it doesn't explode until we go past it.
Oh, well that's lucky.
Then we go to the gas because the helicopter, it's a helicopter gas station. Oh wait.
We have a helicopter? Did you wake up after we won the lottery?
You gotta draw a helicopter.
No, I don't need to. Actually, we need gas.
Wait, what's the last place?
The rocket. Actually, we need gas.
We have a rocket?
Rocket. Not like a spaces. Like, that's on your back.
A jetpack.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty cool.
That's not Minecraft. But in the game Minecraft and on the Nintendo, you just fly.
Well, I wish we could have some jetpacks. What do you need?
And also we have a metal roof one for the roof pit. And we also have a roof pit.
Wait, this is Grandpa, so who's that?
No, that's Grandma Sherry.
Oh, that's so nice.
So,
Grandpa and Grandma Sherry.
man. I'm not falling.
What, can you do it without falling? That was a cool trick. Do it again. What is that? What do you call that walk?
It's bent walk.
The bent walk? Can you do it again?
I can do this every day. What's this walk?
Angus is doing his cool walk.
I can do that too.
Angus, what are you doing?
The tree reel.
The next morning, Adam cooked us some breakfast on the griddle. He used some leftover steak and made us some homemade hash browns and scrambled eggs. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, we would love for you to join our YouTube family. So hit that subscribe button down below and turn on notifications, and we'll see you guys in the next one.